There we go. We working yet? Is it good?
Good.
Right. Hey, this is Jason from the Dental Cool and Repair channel. All right, I know it's been a while, but today I have to make a video. It's snowing outside, the roads are icy, and I told my guys, I'm gonna quit working and make a video. So this video is, I don't know, it's something that I was really excited about today, and it's really, I don't know, kind of strange because I love what I do, and this is just such a fun profession to be in. And we're sorting through a bunch of equipment, and I've been wanting to do this type of video for a while, but we were putting things away and I found this manual. This is for dental stool, an ADEC dental stool manual. This is like possibly the most boring piece of literature that you could ever find in a dental office, and it is just this little booklet. And so what I did was I went ahead and I opened it up, and I'm always telling people, always telling dental staff members, find the manuals on your equipment and read the manuals. But somebody actually told me, they said, Jason, they go, nobody reads anymore. We want YouTube videos. So here you go. I'm making a YouTube video to tell you, read the book, because you're going to learn things about your equipment that there's no way I could explain everything that you're going to possibly need. Plus, there's so many different types of equipment that you need to understand what's in your dental office. And as much as I want to make videos, I can make videos on everything you're going to need. So with that aside, what really struck me about this book is that as I was flipping through it, I found all the normal things that you would find. There's a warranty, there's a table of contents, there's some pictures of some stools, there's how operation, height adjustment, backrest adjustment. There's all these types of things. There's how to change from a left to right. It's all right. We have a new camera operator here. Say hi, Kyle.
Hi.
The assistant torso adjustment. Like, for instance, did you realize that if you have a dental stool, you can change it from right-handed to left-handed? You can do that all yourself with a simple tool. It has all the instructions right here, and it's great. But that wasn't, I already knew about that. Then there's how to do other things. And then there's how to ratchet. And you probably knew most of these things. But now we come back here to this little section that I like to call maintenance. Now this is, okay, lubrication. All right, great. How to lubricate your stool. But then we get to this place, and something that I've been doing dental repair for 20 years, but I've been doing my own business for 5, and I've never known this. On the bottom of these ADEC casters, you can actually remove the individual wheels to get out hair and dental floss. And I didn't know that. And so I was just like, wow, cleaning the casters. This is something that, this is my job, and I didn't even know until I opened the book. So this is the reason why reading manuals is important, because this is going to give you ideas about things concerning the equipment that you didn't even know. So I'm going to show you right now. So this, we're going to set this book down, and I'm going to pick up a couple casters right here, and I'm going to show you. This right here is actually the caster that the manual is referencing. Now, I will say not all casters have this feature. But the point is that you're supposed to be able to move that little clip. That little brass thing is going to come out, and then these 2 wheels are going to come out. So I'm going to show you how to do that right now. And actually what we're going to do is we're going to follow the instructions in the book, because this is how I would recommend that you do this. So the coasters may easily be disassembled for cleaning, such as the removal of dental floss, carpet fuzz, or other implements to smooth operation. Now, I'll make a little aside here. If you have carpet fuzz in your dental stool casters, it's time to upgrade to solid wood floors, because carpet is really unsanitary. But anyhow, you can get things out of your wheels. And they didn't say girl's hair, but girl's hair gets in this a lot, or long-haired man hair, which applies to some of our better looking members of our team. So to clean the casters, complete the following. Using a pair of needle nose pliers, remove the metal locking mechanism by pinching together the plastic locking tab and the bottom of the metal locking mechanism. And so what they're going to do is they're going to give us a little picture here, and they're going to say plastic locking tab and metal locking mechanism. There we go. plastic locking tab, metal locking mechanism, and then the wheels are going to come out. It says they're going to come out. Now, I did this as a test a few minutes ago, just to verify it would work. But all we're going to do is we're going to take our needle nose pliers, and we're just going to go like that. And then this is just lifting up. And once it lifts up, these wheels, dude, they just come off. Like, this is a magical thing. Okay? Because look, now the wheels just came out. We can clean out whatever we want to clean out of them. Then to go ahead and put them back together, it says, well, step 2 is remove both wheels and clean them, duh. Now it says replace the wheel rings and the metal locking mechanism. So here we go. We're going to put that back there, and we're going to put that back there. And then the metal locking mechanism has these little arms on it. So they're going to go in this position here. Okay. And then we're going to push the wheels back in. And then all we're going to do is take our pliers again, and we're just going to push this down till it locks, just like that. And now the wheels are done. Now, I did say that not all wheels are this way. And unfortunately, like, that's true. Like, a set of wheels like this, you have to, you know, you just have to replace them. And just so you can trust me, I just tried this, and I'll show you like what it takes to actually get these apart over here. Come on. So this is our vise, and to get these wheels off, you gotta see, you gotta like pull and nothing happens. And so now, like, I'll show you. We gotta, that was like what it took to get the wheel off. And it like flew across the room over here. Dude. So like DCI wheels, you just gotta replace them. But for the ADEC wheels, they actually gave us a way to fix them, and that was something that I learned today. So definitely read your manuals. You'll be surprised at what you can learn, and also it's going to make you better at your job because you're going to understand how to use the equipment to its full potential in your operatory. So again, this is Jason from the Dental Equipment Repair Channel. Thanks for tuning in, and I'm looking forward to making some more videos for you here in the near future. Thanks.